So once again, very pleasant good evening, respected sir, ma'am, all judges, seniors, my dear friends. So once again, we are here for debate. But before starting the debate, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Parul Vishkarma. I am daughter of Mr. Jawaharlal Vishkarma and Mrs. Usha Vishkarma. I like good person, dislike fake person. I am reading in BSc second year from Tilak College. I want to be pilot. My dear person are my parents. I am proud because I am median. My hobby is dancing. I live at Patha Colony. We today we both are here for debate on a very wonderful topic, climate change. But I will speak about the individual's responsibility. But before starting my own point of view about the topics, firstly I will give the chance my partner.
So firstly, good morning, respected sir, ma'am, and good evening, all of you. So firstly, introduce myself. My name is Nisi Yadav, daughter of Mr. Dayasankar Yadav, Mrs. Mamta Yadav. I like chocolate. I dislike non-veg. I'm reading B from KDC College. I live at Hirwara in Katni. My dear person, my parents. I proud in India because I'm Indian. So today I'm here to favor of the government responsibility for the climate change. So here the question is that who is more responsible for the climate change?
I strongly support the motion that the individuals have to more responsible in the taking climate change. Let me ask one simple question: sir. Who throw the water on the road and who waste the electricity and water every day in our homes, and who cuts the tree? It's simple answer. We can say that we do. But if we create the problems in our society, in our place, so we should also solve it.
Yes, as you say, right. But as per my thinking, that government has the biggest responsibility for the climate change because government has the power to make the rule, and if they can make the rule, so the people have to follow that rule. And if the person who break that rule, so government can punish them for that breaking the rule.
Government can make the rules and work only for a few days and few months and few years, but the real responsibilities citizens person will understand their responsibility, and the even the every rules will be actioned by their citizens. It's the depend the citizens persons, because government only make the rules, they never work it, because sometimes when we throw any place garbage, at that time government did not watch you.
Yes, I am agree with this thing that government only make the rule, but government has the power that they can stop the factories, mean that they can ban the chemicals, harmful chemicals, which harmful for the society and the people, and also they can ban the factory who produce more pollution.
Government can only set down of the factory, but they without citizens they cannot do any work, because when the decide citizens who gives the suggestions for the government, and after then taking the responsibility the government, without taking the responsibilities, citizens they cannot work any types of.
So it is not a problem of the India. It is the problem of the whole the world. Mean the climate change is whole the world. So we only the government has the power that they can represent the our India in the international level. Then after that we can change the climate. So it is mean that I want to tell you that it is the more responsibility of the government because only government has the power that they can represent our India in the international level.
I agree that government can represent the society, so for representing anything. But according to me, when the citizens gives the any types of advice government, and after taking the responsibility, because without citizens, government cannot demand any types of factories, because similarly we can say that suppose that your parents are the government, but when we throw any types of garbage anywhere, at that time our mother shouts you, our father shouts you, because they explain that how can use it our room, how can clear our society and environment. Without knowing the informations, government they cannot watch every government cannot watch everywhere. They cannot stay every persons and every society. When the citizens awareness at that time, government understand problem and responsibility, then the stop the environment's problem.
Can you throw the garbage in anyone's place, mean the anyone's land? No, because if the government is for is the government has the power, mean that we can throw the garbage in the government plant. We cannot throw the garbage in anyone's plant. If you throw the garbage in anyone's plant, so they can scold you. So mean that the government can responsible for the climate change, because they can buy the plot from the anyone, and then we can throw that garbage. We cannot throw the garbage of someone's as plant.
I would like to ask one simple question, sir. Can the government set off down the light in every house? Can it stop the citizens for throwing the garbage anywhere? Nahi, no. Because without knowing the information and without know about the full informations, it's responsibility the citizens who awareness ourselves. Because many biggest and best policy can not success it. Making the rules and following the rules both are different. Because when the so the any types of when the follow any types of rules and discipline, so it's the depend the person, society and citizens how can use it and how can work properly in this society. When we are throw anywhere when we throw anywhere pollutions and polythenes, at that time no one shout you, because it's our responsibility, not the other persons. When one small work is when we start one small works, so one day they become the big responsibility for achieving something.
As you said that government cannot stop of the light of the anyone's house. Yes, government cannot off the light of anyone's house, but if the one person can switch off the light of our house, so they cannot stop the climate change, because the person mean that one person can, if the one person can off the light of our house, so they only use the light in the 1 month, but the factory can use the same, mean they consume the same light. That mean that how much light the person use in a 1 month, the factory can use the same light in a 1 day.
Yes, Didi, one person cannot change the society, but when the every citizens who makes the decision and take the responsibility for creating the society, so one person cannot change the society, but millions citizens can change the society. Because when they take one small action, so they become the big action one day.
If the individual can stop the climate change, so why we need the government, why we need the rules of the government for the environmental rules?
Because Didi, when sometimes when the government gives the advice for achieving something, for example, support this, if the government make one rule, you can not break the any types of rules, but so many citizens who never make the any types of rules, because they want to improve. Firstly, citizens want to improve our habit, because government's work only gives government so only work for making the rules, not the stop the society. Whatever you want to others person doing in their society, and because when the gives the advice someone, so it's depend the person how can use it and how can speak it and how can listen it. Similarly, governments to work gives the rules and making the any types of uh, politics